Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here. So this one is just a quickie because I have the last day of my training course today, although they have said there's another one on Monday. So whether I'll get to do that one or not, I don't know, but I'd like to. It's about finances, but I'm not really sure. So I had a bit of a crap night last night. I slept okay, but I woke up with the weirdest cramp that I've ever had in my life. I had cramp in the front of my leg, where the shin is, just to the left, the muscles underneath or around those bones there, and it was excruciating, and my foot was locked like this. I couldn't push it down, couldn't move it up, it was locked. So I was rubbing and rubbing my leg. It was really agony. And it woke me up, so you can imagine that things are worse when you wake up with pain. And it went on for seemingly ages. Eventually I could move my leg. And then the pain went, bye. And you know when you have a cramp, sometimes you're left with an ache. Nothing whatsoever. But it really just locked. And I couldn't move it at all. It was scary. And then as I was going to sleep, I had one in my foot. As if, oh, for goodness sake. And I keep getting a lot of cramps lately, and I don't think it's normal, and especially that one. I've never had that before. I mean, I've had calves and, you know, one in the back of my thigh before, but mostly in my calf. But in the front of your leg, never have I ever had anything like that or heard of it. But it was just locked and painful. It was awful. So that was the only reason I woke up in the night, which I didn't think was too bad, considering the bad cough that I've had, but or have. And I had a bit of a fiasco with the doctors yesterday. I was very annoyed because you may remember I said I was number 1 in the queue, which is unheard of. They still put me in with the almost doctor, what they call the PA. So lovely guy prescribed me antibiotics. He said give it half an hour and then go to the pharmacy, because they don't give you a physical prescription anymore. They only do it electronically there. So I thought, half an hour? I don't normally have to do that, but I didn't realise it was because he couldn't actually sign off his own prescriptions. So anyway, I gave it more than half an hour because we needed a few bits, and I'm very slow at doing anything at the minute. So it was almost an hour went by before I went to the pharmacy, and they said, oh, there's nothing been sent through. So I called them and they said, oh no, that particular doctor signing them off is running behind, so can you give it another hour? I said, no, I can't. And so I don't sit in this waiting room for another hour waiting for them to send it over. I said, what I want to know is, if I was number 1 in the queue, why did I not see a doctor who couldn't write his own prescriptions? I'm not saying, you know, I don't like seeing him, but at the end of the day, this wouldn't have happened if I'd seen a doctor. And I was number 1 in the queue. It's not that they were all gone. And she said, oh, I don't know, you didn't deal with me. So I said, well, I won't get them till tomorrow now, will I? So that was annoying. Might as well have gone today. Oh, then I might not have got them until Monday, so, you know. I was a bit miffed, to tell the truth. So they sent me through a survey. That was a mistake. It picked on the wrong one. Anyway, that's why are these things like annoying? And I understand that they want to give this junior, I don't know if he's a junior doctor or PA, whatever his ultimate qualification will be. Never heard of that term. I understand they want to give them a career and a helping hand along the way and all that, but let him see things that don't need prescription then, you know. And when you're like really mega ill and you just want to go and lay down, I won't be sitting in a pharmacy for 2 hours waiting for that silly woman to just, because she's such a slow doctor anyway. She always is slow at everything she does. Very methodical and very precise, but way slower than she should be. Anyway, so that was yesterday afternoon. Cheers, guys. But the one good thing about me going out, I didn't bring them in, was I was able to get some lockets. And Gary said, oh, you were quieter in the night. And I said, I don't know about that. You didn't hear me crying out in pain, did you? So you might not have heard me cough, but they do quieten me down for some reason. I think it's a honey and lemon thing. They do give me a better sleep if I have those. But certainly last night wasn't the greatest. Oh, all day, to be honest with you. But I didn't get to do my course yesterday. I just felt so bad. I just wanted to lay down. And sitting in here in front of the TV, it was making me hurt. And I thought, oh. But I quickly did my video and then just chilled out, went and lay down. Anyway, last day today, graduation day. So looking forward to that. And it usually on a Friday, say usually, we only had one, but it's usually a half day, so that would be fun. But Gary's son Jamie is coming down today, and I was my alarm went off and I should have got up, but I didn't. And as I was kind of laying there, almost drifting off to sleep, this banging on the door, and it was a big, humongous delivery for Gary. There I was, nighty, and if I just got up when the alarm went off, I would have been fine. But I had no shoes on my feet or slippers. I just had to run in case they drove off. But he and Jamie are going to be putting this shed together while he's here, so that's what it was. But the box is heavy. It just doesn't seem big enough to have all the pieces in it. So I just have to hope it's all there, really. Anyway, I'm going to get off and upload this because I don't have a lot of time before it starts, and I might not actually get it on. Also today there'll be an open with me, which was fun trying to record that. But I managed to get through it. And so thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Hopefully by then I'll be a little bit better. Bye for now.